Amakuru ni meza, banabaraho.
Isonere.
Yes, gwino hano, tuzabonana ejo.
Uzi Ikilatini?
You create problem for me.
So, do you know Latin?
Latin, yes, I studied at school.
Okay, so like, I'm gonna tell you one word in Latin, so you put in English. Like, este vidimus stellam eus.
Videmos,
Stellam eus.
we have seen the
Ukunda kurya iki? Let me challenge you.
Yeah, you are challenging me too much. I told you that
It's too much.
my vocabulary is very, very
Let's
small.
try to have a challenge. A simple one.
I like ibitoke. I like to eat ibitoke here. Yeah, and also maharagi. You say maharagi? No. In Kinyarwanda, I would say beans. Ibishimbo.
Do you say
Ibishimbo.
Malaki is Arabic.
No, I thought it was in Swahili also. Maharagi? No, you say maharagi, I think, in Swahili.
Okay.
Yeah.
Isombe urayizi?
Huh?
Isombe urayizi?
Sombe. Oh.
Hello guys, I'm your boy P. Onika Swears. This is Legacy TV. I'm giving a thanks to you who make a subscription from Europe, America, Asia, Africa, or diaspora. Thanks for you. Here I'm with like a good mom of me. I'm gonna have a chat with her. I think we're gonna enjoy it. First of all, let me greet her. Hello.
Hello, mraho amakuru.
Do you know some Kinyarwanda?
Very little.
Very little. Tell me some words you know.
Amakuru ni meza, banabaraho.
Isonere.
Yes, gwino hano, tuzabonana ejo. Just
If I ask you like tuzabonana, how can you reply?
tuzabonana.
Like if I told you ijoro ryiza, do you know it?
Yeah.
How can you
Murakoze cyane.
Okay. So before I have a chat, let me have like a joyful one. Can you repeat these words? Tout ce que je sais, c'est que je sais que je ne sais rien.
Je ne sais rien.
Repeat from the beginning. Tout ce que je sais, c'est que je sais que je ne sais rien.
Tout ce que je sais, c'est que je sais que je ne sais rien.
Okay, that's good. So first of all, what is your name?
My name is Haide.
Hayden.
Yeah, Haide.
Hayden.
Yes.
So how old are you?
I am 71 years old. Yes.
Oh, you are like my grandma.
Yeah, I could be.
Yeah, you can be mine.
Yeah, I can be your grandma.
Okay.
With pleasure.
So where do you come from? Like your motherland country?
I was born in Iran, but I grew up in Italy. And now for many years I have been here in Africa, in Rwanda, in Congo with my husband and our 3 children.
Uzi Ikilatini?
You create problem for me.
So do you know Latin?
Latin, yes, I studied at school.
Okay, so like, I'm gonna tell you one word in Latin, so you put in English. Like, este vidimus stellam eus.
Videmos,
Stellam eus.
we have seen the stars of what?
God.
Of God.
Yeah.
Okay.
So, okay, tell me that like this. Civis pacem parabellum.
Civis, if you live the peace,
Parabellum.
parabellum.
If you want a peace, you have to, like,
To work, maybe?
No,
To live?
there is something wall.
War.
Yeah.
War. If we want peace, we have to have war?
Yeah.
I don't agree. No.
Why not you don't agree?
Because I think that we can have peace with love and not through war.
Do you know the way they say it?
Yeah, I know.
It was like, no, it's not combatant.
Yeah.
It's like the whole to prepare hard for what you are going to do. That's what they meant.
Oh, okay. Maybe in this way that we need effort. We need effort, but through love. never through violence. Never. Human beings are like flowers in a garden, and they have to live in harmony among them. And we can live in harmony. We can consult together. We can collaborate together. We don't need to go through war in order to reach peace.
Wow, that's it. That's a good message.
Thank you.
So, can you tell us when you came in Rwanda, the lead time?
It is many years ago. We came 34 years ago, maybe, in Rwanda. We stayed a few years here. After we went to Bukavu in DRC, and we lived there for some years. And now we came back again in Rwanda.
Ahantu hambere mu Rwanda wageze ni? Try. Ahantu hambere wageze mu Rwanda ni?
You're asking me what I...
The first place you reached when you came in Rwanda?
The first place? It was Kigali. We came to Kigali.
Kigali?
You're asking me when we reached Rwanda, where
The first place.
come?
Yeah.
It was in Kigali.
That's Kigali?
Yes.
So, which place have you ever more enjoyed in Rwanda?
I like Kigali. I like Gisenyi. I like Kibuye. Kayonza I have been. We have gone through many towns or villages in the country because there are many Baha'is everywhere in Rwanda. And to see them, to even smile to each other, to know that we are all working to create unity, it gives joy.
It seems like you likely like to swim. Do you like to swim?
Yes, sure.
More and more.
I like it. It's very beautiful. Do you swim?
No, I don't know how to swim.
It is nice. You feel so comfortable and relaxed in the water.
Just imagine, I didn't ever walk by boat.
By port? Boat, on a boat. Yes. But you imagine that when you were a baby in the womb of your mother, you were just in the water. All around you there was water. So, as human beings, we are used to live in the water. So, it's beautiful. Water is a beautiful creation of God.
So, do you know in the ikinyarwanda to say success of person?
No.
Ukunda kurya iki? Let me challenge you.
You are challenging me too much. I told you that my vocabulary is very, very small.
Try to have a challenge, a simple one.
Oh, what shall I say? You love Ukunda? No?
Ukunda kurya,
manje. Yes, sure. I like ibitoke. I like to eat ibitoke here. Yeah, and also maharagi. You say maharagi? No. In Kinyarwanda, I would say beans. Ibishimbo. No, I thought it was in Swahili also. Maharagi? No? You say maharagi, I think, in Swahili.
Okay.
Yeah. Huh?
Isombe urayizi?
Sombe. Oh, yes, I love it. Sombe.
So can you say in Kinyarwanda, I love isombe?
Rabizi?
So you can say it, yeah.
Irakunda? No. Irakunda? Irakunda sombe.
Okay, that's good.
Thank you.
Okay, so when you came in Rwanda, it's like there weren't more Baha'is people.
There were already some Baha'is. Yes, there were. And years after years, the number of Baha'is increased. Many people, youth especially, they found in the Baha'i faith the values they believe in. There is place in the Baha'i faith for everybody. Children, youth, adults, old people. Each one of us can contribute to the betterness of our world, of our country.
Okay.
So,
is there any good change Baha'is is gonna do in Rwanda in this coming years?
Yeah, just this evening I was talking with the executive of a sector who was here participated here. And there is a lady, a Baha'i lady, who has children class, junior youth groups, and activities for youth in her neighborhood in near Utarama. And this executive secretary was telling me how much change he sees in these children, their behavior, the way they are in their families, they have the way there is everything. He said it is wonderful, it's fantastic. So we are really happy that the Baha'i faith is not just a message of words, but a message of action.
Yeah. Do you know the sentence called in Latin, homo homini lupus?
Yeah, but I don't believe. Well, yeah. So the man is the wolf of the man.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Loup.
Ah.
Français, loup.
Le loup.
Loup wolf.
Loup.
We say loup or loup?
Loup.
Loup.
Loup. Loup.
So you don't
Yeah.
believe it?
Why? What is the meaning of man is the wolf of the man? What is mean?
For me.
Uh-huh.
For me it's like for me in the Bible, Jesus said, you don't have to believe all people. That's what they meant.
Very good. But Jesus said you can recognize people, good people from their fruits. So if I want to know you, I have to see what are your fruits. It means your ideas, your values, your actions. And so I will discover, as Jesus said that every human being is made in the image of God. So it means that I can find the image of God in every human being. So every person could be an angel.
Okay. So you're gonna repeat these words. Nkunda abana ni beza.
Nkunda abana ni meza.
Ni beza.
Ni beza.
Okay, so the last one, you're gonna repeat.
Tell me exactly what does it mean. I don't want to repeat something.
Okay. Yeah, the meaning of it, I love children. They are good,
Yes.
or they are so beautiful, or handsome, so cute.
But I would like to say, I love all the children.
You love what?
I love all the children because if some children are behaving bad, maybe they had a very difficult childhood or in a very difficult environment they were living in. So it is not their fault. I'm not going to hate the children who have a bad behavior.
So you're gonna repeat ikibiribiri. Ikibiribiri.
Ichibiribiri.
It's some kind of animal.
Animal.
Yeah.
Which kind of animal is it?
A bird.
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 Birds. Yes. Very good.
So, as you're going we're going to close our interview. So, what a message you're gonna tell us as Rwandan, the Baha'i people, what the message do you have for them?
I would like to say we are grateful in Rwanda to have people who are working for peace and unity. This is the main purpose of the Baha'i faith. And we believe that this unity, we can reach it if we collaborate all together. People from different nationalities, from different religions, from different backgrounds. If we collaborate together, we will have a beautiful garden of human beings.
One word to President Paul Kagame.
I thank him for what he's doing for this country, and the fruits are well seen all over the world. And we hope that people will assist him and assist the government to take the government day by day towards peace and unity.
Do you know the meaning gusubiramo?
No, you see.
Let me teach you some Kinyarwanda. Repeat in the Kinyarwanda is like gusubiramo.
Gusubiramo. Gusubiramo. It's a difficult language, you know. Kinyarwanda is a difficult language.
Just imagine, you live there. You told me it's 41 years.
Here, more than 30 years. Yeah, but I was not living always here. I went to Congo, and after I came back, so I traveled. But I know that I could know more Kinyarwanda than now. I know.
So as we are closing, you're gonna repeat my name, then you close our chat.
Okay.
Do you remember my name?
Basil? No, no.
P.
Pi-
Onika.
Pionika.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you, Pionika.
Say this
Murakoze
TV.
cyane. Murakoze cyane, Pionika. Thank you, Legacy. And thank you, P.
Onika.
Anika.
So God bless you.
Thank
for a
you.
good chat.
Thank you very much.
Yeah,
for
thanks.
that.
Appreciate.
Thank you.
Yeah.